Late 1800s, Dr. Gustav Zander, a high school gymnastics and basically health teacher, and he was noticing people were less active, they were getting sick, they had more issues with their structure. So he set about creating some machines that would help. And you can see some of these machines, pretty glamorous looking pictures. We got the kid being stretched 9 ways to Sunday, not looking happy. It's very Victorian era photos, but these machines all help do things like lengthen the rib cage, straighten out an arm, massage your feet, helping you feel better. Because again, he was noticing that nobody's working anymore. We're standing around doing repetitive tasks, way ahead. But one of the things is that they use pulleys and machines to create resistance. But he said, you know what, I can start using steam machines. So about 1868, he started using steam machines and pistons to move the pulleys and create the resistance. Now eventually those gave way to electric machines and even gas-powered machines. But interesting to note, Zander Institutes popped up all around the world. There's about 300 of them, and his machines ended up on the Titanic. I don't know if it was a steam-powered machine, but we like to think so because we love the Titanic and steam. P.S. You can go check out our Titanic episodes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.